Start with a slip knot. And chain 100. Insert a hook into the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook. Insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. And finally yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now the next stitch will be working into this V stitch which is visible over here. This is the first loop and this is the second loop. Insert a hook into both the loops and pull up a loop. Now the next stitch will be working into these 2 loops. This is the V stitch which is visible. First loop and the second loop and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Now insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Again we'll repeat the same. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Next 2 loops. And finally the last 2 loops. This is how it will look. Now repeat this in each of the stitches. This is the V stitch which is visible. This one. First loop. Second loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. This is the second V stitch which is visible. First loop. Second loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Now insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now repeat this until the end. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and turn your work. This is how it will look. Now to start the next round, we'll be working into these chain stitches. We will start in the same manner. Insert a hook into the second chain from the hook, this one, and pull up a loop. Insert a hook into the next stitch, the next chain stitch, and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Now insert a hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. And finally yarn over, pull through the last 2 stitches. Now we'll be working into this V stitches. This is the first. This is the second loop. Pull up a loop. This is the next V stitch. The first loop. The second loop. pull up a loop. And now we'll be working into this next stitch. Insert a hook and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull to the last 2. This is how it will look. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. This is the V stitch. This is the second V stitch. And this is the next stitch. 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull to the last 2. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. The next chain, 3 loops on the hook. Insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. Now continue making the stitches. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.